Hi, my name is Kate McNaughton, and I recently earned my master's degree in quantitative finance, graduating with the class of 2024. I was a 2-year captain of UC San Diego's track and field team, competing in high jump, hurdles, and the 4x4. I grew up in Portland, Oregon, and although I love the Pacific Northwest, I knew I was ready for a new adventure. I wanted to compete in athletics in university, so my decision centered around schools where I had the opportunity for both athletic and academic growth. I'm proud to now be an alumni of an institution that supported my ambitions and encouraged my enthusiasm for involvement to the fullest extent. I received my undergraduate degree from UC San Diego, majoring in international business with a minor in psychology. Growing up, I watched both my parents work in different facets of business, and I saw how the impact of industry extends far beyond profit. It's fundamentally about solving problems, making current processes more efficient, and improving lives. Inspired by their experience and my own research, I decided to pursue a degree in international business. I minored in psychology, driven by a curiosity about the psychological factors that influence human behaviors. This combination of studies allowed me to deepen my understanding of market dynamics, which subsequently piqued my interest in finance and influenced my decision to further explore this field in my graduate studies. I chose the Rady School of Management for its strong emphasis on quantitative and analytical skills, which are critical for financial analysis and strategic decision-making. The access to cutting-edge resources like the Bloomberg Lab and the opportunity to learn from industry-experienced faculty made it a perfect fit for my career goals. The program's STEM designations and career support services also provide a strong foundation for post-graduation success. Rady's collaborative environment, combined with its location in an upcoming business hub like San Diego, offers valuable networking and real-world opportunities. This, in conjunction with the Capstone Project, Career Management Center, and constant dialogue about the current financial landscape, made Rady a very compelling choice due to their dedication for preparing students to enter the workforce. The Rady Career Center provides a wealth of resources designed to help students succeed in the job market. Their workshops, mentorship programs, and interview practices are some of the standout offerings that create a supportive environment for career development. The staff is incredibly friendly and is always willing to assist with anything from polishing a resume to offering strategic advice on navigating your career path. Even if you don't make use of every resource they offer, it's comforting to know that these tools are available. They ensure students are equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently approach opportunities when needed. The Career Center's welcoming and proactive approach makes it easy to reach out whenever you're ready, knowing that they'll be there to help guide you throughout the process. This sense of consistent availability and support gives students the confidence to take control of their professional journey.